Welcome back, guys. Thank you for checking this video. I have July's Gentleman's Box right here, one of my favorite men's subscription boxes. You get your bracelets, your ties, your socks, your nice men's essentials, you know? Really nice to add to your wardrobe when it comes to getting dressed up in a suit, casually. You get a lot of cool products. This is the month of July, all right? The code Santos5 will save you $5 off your first month, so definitely take a look. All the links and codes will be in the description down below, but let's get right into this box. So we're opening it up, and we have this right here is the magazine right here. This is the go-to guide. This is the how-to for everything in this box. How to wear it, how to style it, how to match it, and also the price values, just different little stories. A nice little pamphlet magazine type of thing right here. And this month we're honoring the Calvin Kid. So it's a Calvin Klein jeans themed box. This is, like I said before, this is July. All right, let's see what the tip is. Gentleman's tip number 140. All right, the greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. I like that tip right there, Gentleman's Box. But like I said, you open it, you get a little welcome letter for the new members. You have why the theme was like that. Did a little bit more about the Calvin Kid themed box, and then you're gonna have how to wear the items, but I don't want to show you too much. All right, so packaged really nice as always. You have the little seal, the Gentleman's Box sticker seal. Look good, feel good, be good. We also have a Lawrence Hunt. This right here, I believe, is a gift card. I think another box I've received this. I also want you guys to know that with this subscription, you're also getting GQ sent to you. So you're getting this box. You're getting GQ magazine sent to you. That's a really, really good deal. So this right here is a Lawrence Hunt. Really nice dress shirts, and it is a $50 card right here. So that's a great deal. Already the box is worth it, obviously. But they have some great partnerships. They do some great, collaborations. And let's see what we have here. So this is what the box looks like, folded so nicely. All right, so the first item I'm going to take out is the tie. All right, this tie right here is the Gentleman of the North, GOTN. All right, if you can see this. So this brand right here, I've gotten multiple items from them. This is a $39 tie, all right, retail value. It tells you how to match it. It tells you a little bit more about the brand, which is good because I've mentioned this before. A lot of the times you get these items and you don't even know how to style them, all right? If you're trying to, dress nicer than you have in the past, it might be a little bit difficult. You could turn to Pinterest for ideas, but, Gentleman's Box lets you know exactly how to match these items so that it's a little bit easier for you. But this is 100% cotton. It's a nice tie. It's a little, you got the burgundy and the blue. Then you also have like another stripe in the pattern. So you can see that right there. So this is a really nice tie. Like I said, valued at $39. This box is $25. We already got a gift card for $50. And then we have some socks. Now this is from Lockstep Apparel. All right, socks are always around the 12 to 15 depending on the material. All right, these right here are valued at $12. This is Lockstep Apparel. We have 80% cotton, 50% polyester, 3% spandex, 2% nylon. A nice dress sock, nice and soft, matches perfect with that tie. So this will be a perfect, these items are going to be a nice outfit right here. All right, so as we keep going through the box, we have the soft landing pocket square. So this pocket square right here is valued at $15. So as you can see, it's a white and a baby blue. All right, the socks have a baby blue. The tie has some blue. So all this stuff goes perfectly together. So this, like I said, $15. So we already had a $39 tie, $12 socks, $15 pocket square. And then we have a product in here. This product isn't even valued at anything. It's more like a sample size. It's 1 ounce, all right? It's for all skin types, naturally scented. This is a natural and organic body lotion from East of Liberty, all right? So let's see, is it open? Not too much of a scent, but this is a nice organic. I like to use organic products. This is a nice little sample. If you like it, then you can go to their site, you know, buy some items from them, you know, see what else they have. It also has their website. Like I said, this is East of Liberty. And let's keep going through. All right, so from Honorable Beast, we have a passport case and also a luggage tag. All right, usually once a year you get a luggage tag or something. So this is a nice little. Let me let you know now that the passport case is valued at $25 and the luggage tag is valued at $15. All right, we've partnered up with Honorable Beast, a classy men's shop imported from Italy, South Korea and Japan, to bring you a brown leather duo that is perfect for all your upcoming adventures. So really good, really nice. I mean, you got a leather luggage tag. All right, your luggage tag, it says Honorable Beast on the back, and then also your passport holder. So you'll be traveling with some nice, you know, nice little accessories. Like even your suitcase is gonna have something attached to it, and then your passport will have a nice little leather case. In the past I've gotten a couple products from Gentleman's Box where I have a wooden luggage tag and also a passport holder, but this one is newer, so I'll probably swap them out. And so that is July's Gentleman's Box, guys. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Check out my last month's Gentleman's Box. You can check that out right here. And then also I have a whole playlist of all my other Gentleman's Box down here that you guys can check out. So thank you guys. Have a good one.